To add the Alpha Network to Trust Wallet, start by opening the app on your mobile device or accessing it through the Chrome extension. If using the Chrome extension, click on the extension, then the three dots, and select View Full Screen for easier management. Next, click on the Settings icon, located at the bottom right, and then select Network. Since the Alpha Network is not listed, scroll down and click on Add Custom Network. Assuming you have the necessary Alpha Network details, enter the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, token symbol, and block explorer URL. If desired, it is crucial to double-check the network information, as a malicious provider can compromise the state of the blockchain and record network activity. Only add custom networks from trusted sources. If you have verified the Alpha Network details and trust the source, enter the information and add the custom network. Once completed, click Add Custom Network to finish the process.